हाइलाइट्स एडिटर में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपकी होस्ट तुलिका मंडल आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। चलिए देखते हैं कलेक्टिव के लिए क्या मैसेज है। सिक्स ऑफ सॉर्ड्स, टू फोर ऑफ कप्स। ओके, so something is not what it seem like, या फिर something is not receiving what they are given. King of Pentacles can be, ठीक है, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and the King of Wands. And it is some kind of connection, relativity, cause and effect, ठीक, क्योंकि King of Pentacles है. Something is not making sense, something is not working the way they thought, ठीक. G, they had to leave everything and move out of something. Because everything is stuck. Everything is stuck. It's not aware. It's like कि they are deprived of something. उनको लगा कि they can reach somewhere or some higher goal or some outside of India to find something. लेकिन they are like stuck. G, Five of Wands. What is this King of Wands? Page of Wands, ठीक. What is this Five of Wands? So King of Pentacles want to find some truth about what happened to the Queen of Pentacles, ठीक, because they are not getting something. So what happened to this Queen of Pentacles? These two can be couple. It can be regarding money. What is happening? And the Chariot. So they trying to end something for Queen of Pentacles, but Queen of Pentacles move away. What is this? G, Tower. Tower कहाँ पे end हो रहा है? Justice पे. Man, this King of Pentacles is under judgment. They did something, ठीक है. ये स्पिरिचुअल जजमेंट भी हो सकता है, ये फिजिकल जजमेंट भी हो सकता है. So what is this King of Wands is saying to this King of Pentacles? Knight of Wands and the Emperor. Too much fire. Too much fire. So either this King of Pentacles is mad and is not even bothered using any abracadabra thingy, or involving other people who knows abracadabra thingy in certain situation. लेकिन Queen of Pentacles is not being stopped, G, because it's a justice time and the cycle closes this way, ठीक. So what is this Hanged Man and Four of Cups? Yeah, told you this security, surety, happiness, foundation. Somebody is losing everything. King of Pentacles is losing everything or lost everything already, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये पहला कार्ड है, ठीक. Queen of Cups, burden, ठीक है. very emotional about their doings, ठीक. What is this 8 of cups, high priestess and the empress. So what is this? So they were told to not to follow some high priestess or empress, or do not attack some high priestess or empress energy. They didn't listen. G, see, this is the attachment. This King of Pentacles is like कि यही चाहिए, इसी तरह से चाहिए और ये मैं लेके रहूँगा kind of thing. And this Empress High Priestess energy is like कि डह, I am the queen. ठीक, जी, they ended the devil. And so this King of Pentacles is losing everything now. They have the warning. Spirit has warned them to not to attack this divine feminine. Divine feminine can be a masculine or feminine. इन जेंडर की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आर दे वांट ऑफ, व्हाट आर दे वांट ऑफ ऑक्यूपेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स. तो किसी के लिए ऑक्यूपेशनल प्रॉब्लम तैयार किए इस किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स ने, दिस एम्प्रेस एनर्जी के लिए, एम्प्रेस हाई प्रिस्टेस एनर्जी के लिए, ठीक है. मैन ओनर ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल आर्मी कि इनको लगा कि सी एनर्जी वर्क, आई सेड ना यहाँ पे टू मच फायर, ठीक है. लेकिन द नॉलेज दे हैव is working upon them only. King of Pentacles only. And one last card, God loves you so much, ठीक है. Divine Feminine can be male, can be female, ठीक. इनका खाता क्लोज होता है. You don't have to worry about nothing, ठीक है. चलो भाई निकलो, ठीक. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Time for nap. Take rest. You can take rest, ठीक. So you know this person tried to exchange your spiritual ability to, ठीक है, बट दे डिडंट रियलाइज कि ये उनके लिए हैवी नहीं, ठीक है. दी एम्प्रेस एनर्जी, डिवाइन फेमिनाइन एनर्जी ओन, कैन बी मेल, कैन बी फीमेल. ओके गाइस, मिलते हैं अगले रीड में. तब तक के लिए बाय.